Okay, so open this chapter. Which chapter is this? Chapter 11. This, that, these, those. This is chapter 11. Okay, chapter 11. This, that, these, those. So already this thing known to you very well. Read these sentences with me. You can see here is a little boy. So this little puppy goes to the market. This boy is saying, what the boy is saying? The boy is saying that this little puppy goes to the market. Now look at the distance between the boy and puppy. We can see the puppy is very near to the boy. Yes, very near to the boy. So that is why it is written this. But look at this picture. Now look at this picture. In this picture, look at the distance between the puppy and the boy. In this picture, the puppy is far away from the boy. So that is why that is used here. So this and that, THIS, this and THIT, that, this and that, these, these and that. This and that. So where we will use this and that? Just for referring a single item or single object. Single object or single item, we can refer these and that. Okay, the thing if it near to you, the thing if it is near to you, you will use THIS, this. But if the thing is far from you, if one thing or single thing is far from you, you have to use THAT, that. Understand? The THAT, that. Now look at this. These little puppies are. These little puppies. In this picture, how many puppies there? Only one. But in this picture, you can see more than one puppies. So more than one means puppies are there. So if more than one object is near to you, you will use THESE, this. What you have to use? Then you have to use THESE, this. More than one item, if near to you, you will use this. Now look at this picture. Look at this picture. You can also see in this picture, you can see there are also few puppies, but far from the boy, and more than one puppies are there and they are far from the boy. So in that case, you have to use THOAC, those. THOAC, those. THOAC. Okay, so we use this for a person, place, or thing that is near to us, and we use THIS, this to show one, and THESE, this to show many things. Understand? Achha. Now look at here. This, that, these, and those are sometimes used with naming word when we want to show something near or far away from us. So everyone now look at in front of you, look at your book. In front of you, you can see there are lots of books. Yes, in front of you, lots of books are there. So you can say, you can tell me, ma'am, these are my books. You can say, ma'am, these are my books. If books are very near to you, you can tell me, ma'am, these are books. You have to, in that case, use THESE. These are books. So I can see that in your room, in your home, lots of photo frames are there on the wall of your bedroom. So you can tell me, ma'am, those are photos. You can tell me, in that case, ma'am, those are photos. Can you see the ceiling fan on you? Can you see the ceiling fan on the top? You can tell me, ma'am, that is a fan. Why that? Because ceiling fan is far from you. Yes, you can tell me. Yes. Now, there is a, I'm not sure that there is a TV on the wall of your bedroom. You can tell me, ma'am, that is a TV. That is a TV. Because TV is only one in number. So if in your bedroom there are two TVs, you can tell me, ma'am, Afrin Parvin, sit properly. You can say in that case, ma'am, those are TVs. Okay, so the thing that is near to you, if it is one in number, you will use THIS this, and the thing that is far from you but only in one number, then you will use THAT that. The thing that near to you but more than one, you will use THESE this, and thing more than one thing far from you, we will use THOSE those. Understand? Now go to the next page. Go to the next page. So do the exercises in your book. Do this in your book. Solve the exercise. Exercise A. Pritam is pointing at different thing. Look at the picture and fill in the blank using this or that. Using this or that. Do fast. Do fast. Do fast. If the thing is near to the boy, Pritam, you will use THIS. Okay. Then that. Okay. This. Here. That. Here. THIS. This. And here we will use THAT. Okay. Why? Because you have to understand, you need to understand the distance. You need to understand the distance. See, here, this is very near to the boy. This boat is very near to the boy, but this mountain is far from the boy. This house is near to the boy. Then this mountain, this house is near to the boy. Achha. That is a restaurant. That is a restaurant. And this book is very near to the boy. So this, and the bag is very far from the boy. So that is my friend. So do this in your book. Do the same thing everyone in your book. No need to check my book. No need to check my book because it is very easy and you can solve it by yourself. Just try to identify the picture. Just try to understand the distance between the boy, between the item and the boy. Okay, if the item, if the thing that Pritam wants to pointing out, if it is near to Pritam, then write this. If it is far from Pritam, then write that. Completed? Okay, no need to show me your book. Keep it down. Keep it down. Acha. Now go to the next page. Go to the next page. Now solve it. This is also very, very easy. This is also very easy. Okay? Acha. These and those children are eating ice cream. Jishan, look at your book. Look at your book. Look at exercise B. Look at your book. Complete the sentence with this, that, these or those. And if, see, the boy is showing these or those children are eating ice cream. Achha. Here we will write these children, these, because these are near to the boy. Achha. These are that puppy is playing. Yes, this. Just look at the distance. But here will be those, because those shirts are far from the boy. Here, that shop sells toy. You just have to identify the distance. Acha, now see. We like these or those kites. What will be the answer? These or those kites. Looking at the picture, it should be those because we know that kites fly on the sky. But in the picture, these kites are near to the people, no, near to these boys. So you can choose these kites. Achha. This or that is my bicycle. This. Why it will be this, student? Because the boy himself is riding on his cycle. So this is my bicycle. Because the boy is on the bicycle, Meena wants. These are those books. Those. Meena wants those books. Acha. This or that is an aeroplane. Absolutely, it will be that is an aeroplane. So that is an aeroplane. No, but because the aeroplane is very at the picture. According to the picture, the aeroplane is near to the man. According to the picture, though we know that aeroplane fly so far from us. But as per the picture, you can also do this is an aeroplane. As per the picture, as in the picture, it is showing that the aeroplane is near to the man. So you can write this is an aeroplane. As per the picture, you can. But if you choose that is an aeroplane, your answer also will be right. So if you choose this is an aeroplane, as per the picture, it is right. But for a normal thing, for general, if you choose that is an aeroplane, it is also will be right. Understand? Try to do it by yourself. Okay, try to do this by yourself. You just have to understand the distance between two pictures. You just have to understand the distance, and nothing else. And one thing more that you need to understand, that the thing that is showing, is it singular or is it one or more than one in number. Okay, so completed by all of you. Is it completed by all? I hope it is completed by everyone. Mariam, Shorish, everyone completed? Solve it by yourself. Okay, very good, Poshita, Mariam, all of you. Okay, keep it down. Ankit completed, Aishman, Afrin, Shomudeep, Ognidipta, Riddhima, Abhinav Shaurya, Debarpon, Jewel, Esha, completed. Vedasrita, Sufian, Shubham, Jishan, Oishani, Odrija. Okay, okay, very good, all of you. Okay. Still, if you are having any problem or any confusion, ask me tomorrow. Okay, very easy. In Montessori 3 already you learn all of these things. Okay, so in this case, you just have to identify the distance and nothing else. Question number 8, you can also write that. You can also write this. Sure? Okay. ठीक है? So चलो for okay. So for today,